Discover the versatility and reliability of all custom Magnesia ceramic tubes and parts. We utilize high-purity, homogeneous powder to ensure superior product performance. Our meticulous manufacturing process, including appropriate forming methods and sintering temperatures. All precision machined Magnesia ceramic rods and plates are designed for maximum durability and accuracy. We employ advanced machining processes to achieve tight tolerances and exact dimensions. These high-performance ceramics are ideal for applications requiring high temperature resistance. We carefully select high-purity materials and use precise manufacturing techniques to ensure a robust, long-lasting product. Our crucibles are available in various sizes and shapes to suit your specific needs. For technical support or custom orders, please reach out to our team.